Starting an e-commerce company may be a successful venture in the current digital era, and YouTube is the ideal venue for doing it. YouTube has developed into a significant tool for business owners wishing to launch their e-commerce ventures thanks to its sizable user base and possibilities for worldwide exposure. In this article, we'll examine the essential tactics and advice for maximizing YouTube's influence on your e-commerce performance. Make captivating product showcases. Making captivating product showcases is one of the best methods to use YouTube for your e-commerce business. High-quality videos may lure viewers and convert them into potential buyers by highlighting the features, advantages, and practical uses of your products. To establish credibility and trust, think about integrating customer reviews or instructional videos. Utilize the power of how-to and tutorial videos. YouTube users frequently look for tutorials and how-to videos to acquire new skills or to get the most out of their purchases. By producing instructive content that is pertinent to your products, you may capitalize on this. For instance, if you sell beauty products, provide skincare or cosmetics instructions. This promotes your business as an authority in the market and invites visitors to check out your online store's products. Engage your audience. Succeeding in e-commerce on YouTube requires developing a close relationship with your audience. Answer questions, answer remarks, and pay attention to criticism. Engaging with viewers develops brand loyalty and a sense of community. Additionally, pay attention to statistics to better understand the preferences of your audience so that you can adjust your material. Partner with influencers. Working with influencers can greatly increase the visibility of your e-commerce firm. Look for influencers with a relevant audience who share the same values as your company. A larger audience can learn about your items and become interested in what you have to offer by watching collaborative films or sponsored material. Use YouTube ads to grow your e-commerce company. YouTube offers a variety of advertising choices. By targeting YouTube ads to particular user interests and demographics, you can make sure that the correct people see your content. These methods, which range from pre-roll ads to display ads, can enhance traffic to your e-commerce website and conversion rates. Optimize for SEO. YouTube uses a search algorithm much like any other internet site. To make your videos more discoverable, conduct keyword research and enhance the titles, tags, and descriptions of your films. This will enhance the possibility that your content will show up in pertinent search results, drawing potential clients to your online store. Run contests and giveaways. By holding contests and giveaways, you may entice viewers to interact with your channel and its offerings. These campaigns, which may offer customers a chance to win a product or a discount on their purchase, can arouse excitement and a sense of urgency, encouraging them to browse your online business. In conclusion, YouTube offers fantastic opportunities for e-commerce enterprises to promote their goods, cultivate a following of devoted customers, and increase sales. You may position your e-commerce business for success in the broad world of online shopping by creating captivating content, engaging with your audience, working with influencers, and exploiting YouTube's advertising and SEO tools. So start firing up your cameras and take over YouTube's e-commerce scene. Thank you for watching this video. See you next segment.